Hello everyone, welcome to our channel once again. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates, and also leave a comment to express your thoughts on this. The federal government has asked the Supreme Court to set aside the October 13 appeal court judgment which discharged and acquitted the leader of the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. The notice of appeal dated October 18, which was signed by the Director Public Prosecution of the Federation, Muhammad Abubakar, Senior State Counsel G. Nweze, Department of Public Prosecution, Federal Ministry of Justice, and Assistant Chief State Counsel D. Kaswe and A. Aluko, contained 7 grounds of appeal against the appeal court judgment. The President Muhammadu Buhari's led government is also seeking a stay of execution of the judgment of the court presided over by Justice Jumai Sankey, pending the hearing and final determination of the appeal before the Supreme Court. The federal government noted that the IPOB leader posed a flight risk following the earlier judgment. The government faulted the appeal court stance that how the separatist was brought back to the country from Kenya can vitiate and weaken the criminal charges of treason, treasonable felony, and terrorism filed against him in 2021.
Wow, the federal government is determined not to let Nnamdi Kanu go, even after the appeal court has gave it judgment and also discharged Nnamdi Kanu. But the federal government interpreted the judgment as acquitted, as discharged and not acquitted. And the counsel for Mr. Nnamdi Kanu has served the federal government and the DSS and the Office of the Attorney General the certified copy of the judgment. But what did they do? The federal government has taken the case to Supreme Court to set aside the judgment of appeal court. Now, this is why I like democracy. Yes, it is said that the worst democracy is still better than the best military. And this is exactly what is playing out here. If it were to be in the era of the military government, Nnamdi Kanu will have just been kept in detention without trial, and nobody can say anything about it. But we bless God that today we have moved from the military era to democracy, where people have voice. You can speak. There's expression of you can express your feelings. Well, there's popular saying that after there's free of speech, that after you have speaking, that they don't know if you'll be free. But well, the federal government is fighting this legally, just as Nnamdi Kanu and his team also are fighting it legally. And one of the points that the federal government made is that they cannot reveal how they brought Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria because it's going to undermine the security of Nigeria. Well, they may have their reasons, but the court has to determine what happens. Now, this struggle of Nnamdi Kanu and the agitation of the Biafran people has been lingering for long and dated to 1960 up to the Civil War and all that. But the question I want to ask is that, can this ever come true? Will this ever come true? Will Biafra ever have this freedom with time? Will they ever succeed in the emancipation of these Biafra people? Will this agitation ever work? Well, time will tell. Time will tell. Because time over time we have had leaders of agitation of the emancipation of Biafran nations. You have Nwazurike and all that, and it started from Ojukwu, Mwazwike come over, and now it's Nnamdi Kanu. Will there be another leader after Nnamdi Kanu? That is the question that I'm still asking here. How has government handled these issues over time? Is this arrest and detention of the leaders of this group, is it the best approach? So these are questions I'm trying to unravel. Is it the best approach? Now, Nnamdi Kanu is in detention, and the Biafran nation agitation, the believers of Biafran nation are doing all they can to get independence from the Federal Republic of Nigeria. But one of the questions I keep asking is that separating from Nigeria, having the Biafran nation, will it solve the problem in the southeast? I keep asking this question. Will it solve the problem of the southeast? Yes, they say the southeasterners are marginalized by the ruling class, by the federal government. But looking at it critically, are they really marginalized? Are they really marginalized? Those are the things I'm thinking as a person. Well, we will say they're marginalized because of the government in power presently, the APC government. But before the APC government, we have the PDP government, which is President Olusegun Obasanjo. We also have Yaradua and we have Goodluck Jonathan. In all this, I begin to wonder, in this agitation, will there be a better Southeasterners if Biafra nation is achieved? We witness it in Sudan and in South Sudan. Today, South Sudan is no better off. So, I keep thinking, what is going to be the solution? Now, an Igbo man is one of the major contestants of the 2023 general election. Is it not going to be better if the Southeasterners, the core Igbos, the South, Nigerians, come together to vote him, Peter Obi, as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and settle this matter once and for all and kill this agitation of marginalization? I think it will be better for peace to reign in our nation. Yes, for peace to reign in our nation. And for the Nnamdi Kanu and the federal government, is there not a better way of federal government handling this issue? Instead of keeping Nnamdi Kanu in detention perpetually and finding some means from the judiciary to keep him on and on and on there. So, to me, nothing is better than peace. Can there not be a roundtable discussion within the federal government and the Southeastern people and the representative of the Biafra agitation to find a lasting solution to this agitation and put an end to it once and for all? These are the questions in my heart. Well, this is just my feeling, this is my take. I would like you to feel free to comment below. Let's know what you think concerning this. And also, subscribe to our channel for updates on this and more. Thank you.